First at noon, Connecticut continues to be moving in the right direction. Hospitalizations are now under 200, and 95% of businesses have now reopened. Though the governor is still stressing the need for people to get tested for COVID-19. Chief Capitol reporter Susan Raff is live at the Community Health Center in New Britain, where Governor Lamont just gave his update on COVID-19. Susan?
Kara, good afternoon. There is some good news. Hospitalizations are now down under 200, and 95% of businesses, as you mentioned, are now open. But the need for testing continues. But Connecticut has greatly improved testing. In fact, we're told anywhere between 6,000 and 8,000 tests are now being done every day. The goal would be, if they could, 40,000. But again, more tests, especially at nursing homes, where we have seen the largest number of increases. The governor gave his latest COVID update here at the Community Health Center in New Britain. The Community Health Center has 9 locations, and this is where testing is done. Testing, in case you didn't know, it is free, and all insurance companies are required to cover it.
The other thing we've learned a lot more about over the course of this pandemic is telehealth, and how it's easier and easier for you to get a basic conversation with a doctor or a primary care doc, either online or by telephone. So we're doing everything we can to bring the health care to you.
Because not everyone can get tested, the governor says it is important that targeted people, those with health care issues, maybe those with symptoms. If you have symptoms, you should get tested. Also, frontline health care workers, those in nursing homes, and those who work and live in prisons. Those are all groups of people that it's very important to get tested. On another note, the governor did talk about some of the unemployment numbers. Obviously, more than 500,000 people have filed for unemployment. And while more and more businesses are reopening, we still see a lot of people struggling to get rehired. This week, the governor tells us that on the state website, there is an online job training and also an online jobs fair. For now, we are live in New Britain. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.